Hi everyone, I'm Nisa ANSAN. I'm an electrical and electronics engineering student at Bilkent University. Today I'm going to present my Physics 101 project. My project name is Effects of Different Friction Forces in Conservation of Energy. Friction is a non-conservative force, meaning energy is transformed into different types of energies when applied. Different materials have different friction constants, so when a block interacts with different kinds of materials, the force between the block and the material is different. My project aims to find the different friction constants of different materials by using the conservation of energy law. The equipments that I used in the experiment was an inclined plane, a block, an iron plate, a copper plate, a cardboard, and sandpaper. I also used a ruler and a scientific calculator to measure and calculate. In the energy law, we know that the work done by others equals to the energy change. In this case, work is done by the friction force, and the formula of the work done is above. I measured the distance and the height of the inclined plane so I could find the gravitational potential energy of the block at initial points. The block slipped down the plane due to the gravitational force on it, and by using different plates there was a different distance traveled at the end of the incline by the block. In my setup, the initial energy equals to the gravitational potential energy the block has. At first I didn't use a plate so that I could find the friction constant of the incline and the place that the block traveled. Using the energy law from point 1 to 3, I could find the friction coefficient of the incline and the ground. We can see from the formula that normal force times friction coefficient equals to the friction force on the object. We calculate the work done by the friction by the formula above. Finding the friction constant of the incline and the ground, which was the same, I used this to find the friction constants of the other plates that was used in the experiment. By using the energy law, which means the change in the energy equals to the work done on the object, I could find the friction constants of different plates. I used the same formula and the initial coefficient that I found while I was finding the other coefficients of the other plates that I used.